or close to al dente na yung ating pasta. Kung makikita nyo, meron niyang tuldok. And eto pa yung isang magandang tip. This is something na we practice especially sa hotel kasi bultuhan, bangkete yung tirada namin doon. So pag mga gantong pasta, typically, yun nga, niluluto namin talaga to. Kunyari ang event namin is dinner, siguro mga alas 2, alas 3. Sinasalang na namin yan para hindi rin kami nagkukumahog. Tapos, para ma-preserve natin yung texture, we cook it slightly undercooked. Kasi as we always say, meron pa tong carry-over cooking. And para hindi rin maglabas siya masyado ng starch, what we do is actually this is the perfect time kung kailan tayo dapat maglagay ng oil. So we have our olive oil, generous amount ng olive oil. Tapos immediately, pinalalamig namin ito para, ayun nga, hindi ma-overcook, tapos hindi maglabas ng mas maraming starch yung ating pasta noodles.